Hey bug detectives, welcome to the Insect Safari Club. I am Maria and today we are uncovering crazy cool secrets about 10 amazing bugs. Get ready for big surprises. Let's go! First up, the butterfly. What a pretty butterfly! The coolest fact about butterfly? They taste with their feet. Yup. And they stomp on the flowers to find their snacks. Another cool fact about a butterfly? Their antennae are like super noses. Butterflies can smell a flower from miles away. What's that? That's a dragonfly. Dragonflies are nature's helicopter. Let me tell you a craziest fact. They have been flying for 300 million years. Can you imagine? That makes them older than the dinosaurs. Dragonflies are also referred to as the speed demons. Some of them zoom at 45 miles per hour. That's faster than your bike. Here we have the polka-dotted wonder, a ladybug. Yup, that's a ladybug. The craziest fact? When scared, they play dead and ooze a stinky yellow liquid from their knees. Ew, that's filthy but smart. Hidden under the beautiful polka-dotted wonder are their wings. Yes, their wings. They tuck them away like origami. Isn't it smart? On number 4 we have, any guesses? Yes, the ant. Tiny but mighty. Say hello to the ant. Hello, little ants. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for eating and one for sharing food with the friends. After all, sharing is caring. Can you see the ants sharing the apple? Ever wondered what happens if an ant gets lost? It walks in circles till it finds its secret trail. Here comes our nature's donut maker, the honeybee. Honeybees travel from flower to flower to collect nectar to make super delicious honey. Honeybees produce yummy honey in their beehives. Their wings beat 200 times per second. Can you believe that? That's why they sound so buzzy. One cool fact, they do the waggle dance. Let's dance like honeybee. It's a secret move to tell the friends where flowers are. On number 6 we have the grasshopper. Let's jump like a grasshopper. A cool fact, their ears are on their bellies. Point to your tummy and giggle. Fact number 2, they spit a brown juice when scared. Scientists call that brown juice a tobacco spit. Blah. What we have here? What do you think it is? Any guesses? It's a beetle. Can you see a beetle rolling a dung ball? Yes, this is what they do. The beetle eats the poop and roll it into the balls, bigger than itself. Rhinoceros beetles can lift 850 times their weight. That's like you lifting a car. What do you think these are? These are the fireflies, nature's nightlight. Can you count these fireflies glowing at night? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's crazy? Their glow is cold light, not the hot one. You know what? Baby fireflies glow too. They are called the glowworms. Next up we have the caterpillar. Meet the future butterfly, the caterpillar. That's a caterpillar crawling on the branch. A cool fact, they have 12 eyes. Yes, they have 12 eyes. But guess what? They still see blurry. An interesting fact, a caterpillar sheds its skin 4 times in its lifetime. A mosquito, last but not the least. An amazingly interesting fact, only girl mosquito bites. And the boy mosquito just drink flavored juice, like tiny vampires. This must be a girl mosquito. Fact number 2, they have been around for 226 million years, which means they are older than a T-Rex. Wow, you are now a bug expert. Remember, insects are our friends, so explore them gently. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more fun videos.